Okay, this is problem number 9 of GATE 2016. The value of integration from minus infinite to plus infinite e to the power minus t delta 2t minus 2 dt, where del t is the drag delta function. E is option A 1 by 2e, option B 2 by e, option C 1 by e square, and option D 1 by 2e square. Now, what is drag delta function? We need to know drag delta function del t is equals to 0 for x not equals to 0, and it is equals to infinite when x is equals to 0. So this is the drag delta function. Now if I plot this, okay, we have, say, from minus epsilon to epsilon, right? Now this epsilon minus epsilon means the width of the this band is very small. Okay, so it is very small, and this is, and one thing, for drag delta function you need to know, in integration from minus infinite to infinite, a delta of t must be equals to 1. So the this means that area enclosed by this drag delta function delta t must be 1, right? So if this is your drag delta function del t, and the area enclosed by this drag delta function is 1, so this is actually 2 epsilon. Del epsilon minus of minus epsilon means twice epsilon. So what will be the width? What will be the height? Height is, this is 1 by twice epsilon, because width into height is the area enclosed by the delta drag delta function. So twice e into 1 by twice e, that is equals to 1, not e, then this is epsilon. Now one more thing you need to know, delta of this is delta 2t minus 2, right? Now if I take common 2, and this is t minus 1, and that is equals to 1 by mod t delta of t minus 1. So this is the property. Okay, now again, if I you get this function definition and the few of the properties of drag delta function. Now if I use this property in the integration, what it is, e to the power minus t delta of 2t minus 2 dt, and it can be written as 1 by 2 from this integration from minus infinite to infinite e to the power minus t delta t minus 1 dt. And this is equals to when t equals to t minus 1 is equals to 0, t is equals to 1. So at t equals to 1, this will be finite value, otherwise it will be 0. So we have to put the t is equals to 1. So the integration will be half of integration of e to the, okay, half of e to the power minus 1, because we have to put the value of t equals to 1. For t equals to 1, this delta function have finite value, otherwise it will be 0. Okay, so this will be half of e to the power t equals to 1, that is equals to e to the power minus 1, and that is equals to 1 by 2 e. So the correct option is option A.